Hey everyone, today we are making the hypnotic eye. The very first circle we are drawing here is very important. It will act as a guideline for all the circles we'll be drawing in the future. If you watched my previous videos, you already know I'm drawing the seed of life. I've taken radius of 3 cm. You can take any radius, just make sure all the circles are of equal measurement. This is a seed of life, as you can see. Now we are making a 12 petal torus mandala. Just watch carefully that how I am drawing the circle. The new circle will meet the very first circle at some point, and this will be our guide to our next circle. I am pointing the new center with my fingers. Look carefully. I know it seems complicated sometimes, but once you get a hang of it, it's very easy to draw. Now we'll be doing the same process 2 more times to make the hypnotic eye. Now we'll be drawing more circles around these triangles, which will act as a guideline to fill the hypnotic eye. I have drawn one more circle in the center, and now I am coloring it to give the effect of an eye. Now you have to color all these triangles one by one till the end. Hey, I would like to show you something very quickly. I have filled triangles here, but I made one more without filling these triangles. Instead, I filled the outer part of those triangles, and here is the other mandala. So you can make it either way. If you like this video, please hit like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.